everyone, and welcome to Profitable DIY Ideas. We're thrilled to have you here today. If you enjoy creative DIY projects, affordable home improvements, and beautiful outdoor decorating ideas, you're in the perfect place. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest DIY inspiration. Today's video is all about creative backyard decor ideas that look expensive but are surprisingly budget-friendly. You don't need a large budget or professional landscaping to create a beautiful outdoor space. With a little creativity, smart planning, and a few simple materials, you can transform your backyard into a place that looks elegant, relaxing, and welcoming. The secret to a luxurious-looking backyard is not spending more money. It's choosing the right details. Simple decorations, natural materials, and handmade projects can create an outdoor space that feels stylish and professionally designed without the high cost. One of the easiest ways to upgrade your backyard is by creating beautiful flower displays. Mixing colorful flowers with green plants in decorative pots instantly adds charm and freshness. Even inexpensive planters can look elegant with a fresh coat of paint or a natural wood finish. Wood is one of the best materials for budget-friendly outdoor projects. Wooden planter boxes, benches, garden shelves, and privacy screens add warmth and a timeless look to any backyard. Reclaimed wood or old pallets can often be transformed into stunning decorations with just a little sanding and paint. Lighting is another simple way to make your backyard feel luxurious. Solar pathway lights, hanging lanterns, and string lights create a warm and inviting atmosphere during the evening. Soft lighting highlights your garden while making outdoor gatherings feel cozy and comfortable. Creating a comfortable seating area is another excellent idea. You don't need expensive furniture to build a relaxing outdoor retreat. Wooden pallets, recycled benches, or simple chairs with colorful cushions can become the perfect place to enjoy morning coffee, read a book, or spend time with family and friends. Outdoor accessories complete the overall design. Decorative birdhouses, handmade signs, wind chimes, garden sculptures, and painted flower pots all add personality without requiring a large investment. Small details often create the biggest impact. Color also plays an important role in backyard design. Neutral shades create a peaceful atmosphere, while colorful flowers and painted decorations add energy and excitement. Finding the right balance between natural materials and bright accents helps create a backyard that feels both elegant and welcoming. Remember that the most beautiful outdoor spaces are built with patience. You don't have to complete every project in a single weekend. Add one new decoration at a time, improve different areas gradually, and enjoy watching your backyard become more beautiful with each completed project. DIY decorating is about more than saving money. It allows you to create a space that reflects your personality and creativity. Every handmade project tells a story and brings a sense of pride because you created it yourself. We hope today's backyard decorating ideas inspire you to start your own outdoor makeover. Whether your backyard is large or small, every space has the potential to become beautiful with thoughtful planning, simple materials, and a little imagination. Thank you so much for watching Profitable DIY Ideas. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest DIY projects. Backyard decorating ideas, garden inspiration, and budget-friendly home improvement tips.